Here we have this beautiful Porsche GT3, and what we've installed is an integrated CarPlay system with a reverse camera. Now this vehicle does not come with parking sensors or reverse camera standard, and the mapping is a little bit dated. So hence why the customer wanted a CarPlay system to have the latest mapping and also to be able to then play Spotify and what have you. Additional to that, a reverse camera, so at least he could see what's behind him when he tries to park the vehicle. So if you pop in and I'll show you how it all works. As you can see, it's completely factory stereo. So visually, nothing's changed. As far as you're concerned, it's the OEM stereo, and like I said, nothing's changed. So all we have to do is push and hold the phone down button and it goes into the CarPlay system. So I need to connect my phone up to it. So what I need to do is just simply go into Bluetooth and search for the CarPlay kit. And pair, allow. So just allow and use CarPlay as we want to do that. And now flick to CarPlay, as you can see. So as normal with CarPlay, you have your full menu screen there. You've got Google Maps, then you've got your latest mapping, and also things like Spotify, and you can play it audibly here. So on top of this, like I mentioned about the reverse camera, so just put into reverse, and now you've got the reverse camera image behind you. So the reverse camera, do you want to have a look in the back? The reverse camera is at its OEM location, so it's just there. So it's quite discreet. So that's an integrated CarPlay system working on the factory stereo with an aftermarket reverse camera, all looking pretty much OEM on this beautiful Porsche GT3.